Instagram was a platform designed for photographers and artists to showcase their work. But over time and with the release of Reels, Instagram is a platform for video content creators. Instagram has changed from an artist-oriented platform to the one that caters to the needs of video content creators and businesses. The organic growth is almost zero unless you have a following that will die for you and like every post you make. Maybe that will take you to the explore page. Nowadays, I get more engagement on Facebook than on Instagram. The post disappearance on Facebook has been filled with an astronomical number of pivots and acquisitions. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, YouTube, Pinterest, and Twitter all made waves in the industry, but each has a unique story. For some platforms, that story seems to be going to the end. I think here specifically about Instagram. Back in the days when Instagram was normal, I could discover, connect, and share content, art with the audience that followed me. Today, maybe 1 or 2% of my followers see my pictures, and most of them, the likes and follows come from Reels, which you might say is a good thing. Not exactly. Those new followers don't care and don't see my content after they follow me, as I rarely post Reels on my feed, and they follow me for the video content and not for picture content. When I open Instagram, all I want to do is post content I have to post to stay visible, and then I might click like button for the first picture I see, and then after that I immediately leave the app. I think there are too many options for the content on the platform. Therefore, I get lost and leave the platform because I don't find anything that interests me. I do that for a few reasons. If I want to see Reels, I go to TikTok. When I want to see a video, I go to YouTube. When I want to see a story, I go to Snapchat. When I want to see pictures, I go to BeReal. BeReal is a new app that has been on the social media scene for a short time, but has started gaining more interest from people interested in posting pictures and making friends who follow you for the content you create. Users receive a notification at the random time once a day saying time to be real. This opens up a 2 minutes window for the users to post a picture of what they are currently doing. This is to capture an authentic, unfiltered snapshot of a user's life, like mine for example, and I like that a lot. Within those 2 minutes you can retake your photo as often as you like, and I oftentimes do that. But if the 2 minutes pass without you settling on a picture, you'll miss your opportunity for the day. You have to post a photo to see anyone else, pictures and content. Anything you post on BeReal is private by default and only visible to your friends. But you can share an image publicly in the discovery timeline if you choose this option when posting. BeReal is a French social app released in 2020. Alexis Bayrat developed it, if I pronounce it right. After a couple of years of relative obscurity, it gained popularity, especially in the last couple of months. I've been on the app for the last 2-3 months. I post there a snapshot from my studio. It is often a picture of me working in the studio. After all the experience with Instagram, I think it is an excellent way to show behind the scene of my art studio. Anyone who wants to see my work will go to the website anyway. If you are tired of Instagram, try something new. Try BeReal.